The world has changed drastically over the past few years, and it seems that the traditional 9-to-5 job is a thing of the past. Today, people are looking for new and innovative ways to make money online. Here are the top 5 ways to earn money online in 2023. 1. Freelance writing, editing. Freelance writing and editing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. You can write for blogs and offer professional editing services to businesses, magazines, and authors. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an excellent way to make money online. It involves promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for the sale. 3. Social media influencing. If you have an established presence on social media, you can use your influence to make money. Companies often hire influencers to promote their products and services, and you can get paid for your efforts. 4. Online tutoring. Online tutoring is becoming increasingly popular, with more students turning to the internet to learn new skills. You can offer online tutoring services in your field of expertise and earn a good income. 5. Selling digital products. The internet offers numerous opportunities to sell digital products such as e-books, tutorials, and online courses. You can create your own products and market them on platforms like Amazon and Etsy. These are the top 5 ways to make money online in 2023. If you are looking for an easy and lucrative way to start making money from the comfort of your home, consider one of these options.